In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable the ticking sound on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. So the ticking sound is basically the sound the second hand makes as it ticks through, as it goes round, and then you'll hear that ticking sound, just like you'd hear on some high-end mechanical watches. So to enable or disable, swipe up and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then scroll down on that page to the bottom where you'll see system sounds. Tap on that, and then you should see ticking, okay? And it says you'll hear a ticking sound if your watch face supports it. So this is only for watch faces that actually support ticking sounds, okay? So you can enable that ticking sound here or disable it from here, okay? Depending on what you choose, all you have to do now is go back to the main watch face, and then you'll have enabled or disabled the ticking sound. Now it's normally a very faint sound. You have to actually sometimes put the watch to your ear to hear it, just like it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a loud sound, but that's basically how to enable or disable the ticking sound on your Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.